In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task on Clickup in just 5 minutes. Clickup is a powerful tool for managing your work and projects, and adding tasks is at the heart of its functionality. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to refine your task management skills, you're in the right place. Let's start by navigating to the Clickup website. You can do this by entering the URL clickup.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you'll be greeted with a wealth of information about what Clickup can offer. But for now, let's focus on getting you into your existing account. To log in, look for the login option on the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen, where you're prompted to enter your email. Type in the email address associated with your Clickup account. Ensure you enter the correct email address to avoid any login issues. Next up, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure to input it carefully, as passwords are case sensitive and must be entered exactly as you set them. After entering your details, the next step is to click on the login button. This action will authenticate your details and grant you access to your Clickup workspace. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Clickup workspace. It's from here that your task management journey really begins. Your workspace is essentially your command center on Clickup, where you can navigate to different spaces, projects, and tasks. Your next step is to click on the Team Space. Team spaces on Clickup are where your projects, tasks, and collaborations come together. These are customizable areas designed to suit your team's workflow. After selecting your team space, you're ready to dive into the specifics of your projects. Now navigate to the project section by clicking on Projects. This section is where all your tasks and projects are organized. It's designed to give you an overview of everything that's in progress, planned, or completed. To add a new task, look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of the projects list or within a specific project. Clicking this icon reveals several options, but we're interested in adding a new task, so go ahead and click on Task. You'll be presented with a form to add your task details. This is where you can get specific about what needs to be done. Enter a name for your task and feel free to add a detailed description. This helps ensure that anyone who comes across the task understands what's required. You can also set due dates, assignees, and priorities, making it easier to manage your workload. Finally, once you're happy with the details you've entered, click on Create Task. This action officially adds your task to the Clickup project you've chosen. You'll see it appear in your task list, ready for you or your team to start working on. And there you have it. You've successfully added a task in Clickup, taking a big step towards organizing your projects and workflows. Remember, the key to effective task management is not just in adding tasks, but also in regularly reviewing and updating them as needed. Clickup provides a versatile platform for doing just this, making it easier to stay on top of your work. Whether you're planning a single project or coordinating an entire team's workflow, mastering the art of adding tasks is fundamental to using Clickup effectively. With the steps we've gone through today, you're well on your way to becoming a Clickup Task Management Pro. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to add a task on Clickup. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Make sure to explore more of what Clickup has to offer, as it's packed with features designed to streamline your work process. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in managing your projects with Clickup.